to the Road to Get Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how I made these crispy, crunchy, delicious lumpias. I made them with 3 different sauces. I have a sweet chili sauce, a honey mustard, and my Korean BBQ sauce. And with all this deliciousness, I made some cucumber and lemon water. And it was super delicious, very refreshing. And let me show you how I put my lumpias together. And these are the wrappers that I'm going to be using. There's 30 of them in there. And the filling for my lumpias I made last night, so it's really flavorful. That I made some sausage a couple of days ago, so I left out a pound of ground pork. I have a pound of shrimp in here, green beans, cabbage, bell pepper, garlic, onions, and lots of seasoning. And they're going to be so good. And on the back of the lumpia wrapper, there is great recipes on there. I didn't use any of these because I like my own lumpia recipe. But you can use these. And it just, it's just like a egg roll wrapper. You just fill them up and wrap them just like that. It's going to be really good. One thing I love about lumpia wrappers is that they're a lot sturdier than the egg roll wrappers. They're super thin and they fry up. Oh my God, the crunch is just amazing. And look at how thin they are. And I can manhandle these things and throw them around, and I don't punch holes in them like I do when I'm making egg rolls. So this is the way to go. And you could fill them up as big or as thin as you want them, and don't have to worry about them, breaking while they're in the grease, and then they end up exploding and get stuff all over the place, and you wasted your mixture. And I'm not going to do that. So I love these lumpia wrappers, and I would highly recommend them. If you have an Asian market in your area, definitely get you some lumpia wrappers. All right, so from here, everything's going to be pretty well self-explanatory. I'm going to sit back, put some music on, you relax, and I'm going to relax, rolling up my lumpias. Package these in 5 lumpias per package, and then they're going in the freezer. So I have go-to meals ready to go. All right, this is what I've been waiting for. I'm going to pour myself a glass of this cucumber lemon water, and we are still in the triple digits here in the desert, so I like to keep a couple of jars of some sort of juice or something refreshing to drink at all times. And I tell you what, this really hits the spot when it's hot, period. And another thing I'd like to mention is that if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell and the thumbs up button. That way to let YouTube know that you enjoyed my content. Oh my goodness, this lemon cucumber water is a game changer, and so is this honey mustard. I tell you what, I couldn't decide which kind of dipping sauce that I wanted, so I just made 3 different sauces, and it just makes it more interesting. And they are super crunchy on the outside, and the inside is sinfully delicious. And for those of you that are going to be affected or are being affected by that hurricane, I'm sending prayers your way, and I pray that your family and your house and everyone around you will be safe and sound. All right, I'm going to let you guys go so I can finish my dinner. And thanks again for stopping by. Be blessed, make you some lumpias, and please stay safe out there.